Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. As you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this big bag. Well, I see Joy Sunday kits. Let me get them out of the bag. All right. We have 3 kits, and sorry about that. I hit the kits with the camera. My bad. All right, we have 3 kits, and they come from VIPCrossStitch. If they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So we're going to take the first one on the top of the stack, and let's take a look. This one, if I can get it out of there, it's kind of a smaller one. Aha! I see. We have another pillow. Isn't he cute? I just love that little mouse. It says little mouse with a Christmas hat. So they're made the same way as the others. They are 14 count, and it does say 16 by 15 inches. And is there a picture? Or here we go. Okay, we have 12 different colors. This will match the canvas. So we have 2 sets of numbers. The front one goes to the paper pattern, and the back one goes to the canvas. 12 colors. We have 310 black, and I don't see, the only red I see here is 349 and 351, and we're using 3865 for white. But isn't he cute? Very well done, not very big. It is a partial, so only back stitch and full stitch, and it's all on one piece of paper. So let's take a look at those colors. There's your 3865, and it's kind of an orangish red, and that's kind of a medium salmon color maybe for the reds in this. So not a lot of different colors, but yeah, I think it'll be sufficient for the mouse and his little red cap. Now this time it comes with a red tassel and the white beads. The one for the little bunny came with pink. So yeah, so Christmas red. Beautiful. And it does come with a bag of stuffing. Let's turn it around. So 12 colors in full stitch and 3 in back stitch. It is serged all the way around. It is 31 centimeters long, or 12 1/4 inches by 5 3/4 inches, or 14.5 centimeters. Actual is almost 4 inches, or 10 centimeters by almost 26.5 centimeters, or a little over 10 1/4 inches. So not too big at all. Does have some bigger areas, and the back stitching is going to make this picture, because right now it looks a little nondescript, but beautiful. I just love these little pillows. They are too cool for school. All right, the next one is quite a bit bigger. Now that little pillow was $4.80, and this one was $21.92. It is 66 by 52, 14 count. See if I can get it all out of here. Oh dear. Nope, we're going to have to do it in sections, maybe. We'll put that there. Then maybe I can get this out. I might have to have it. It might have to have its own bag for sure. All right, we'll just leave that right there. Oh my goodness, today is hit the camera day. Now it says German Shepherd, but anybody in this world knows that that is a Collie. And it is a tricolor Collie because he has the black in his fur, or her fur. I had a Collie, but I had a Sable. And we had another Collie when I was ready to leave home, you know, get married. We got one then, and it was also a Sable. My sister has had all three kinds. So, very lovely. And we have key cats and a ball and some kind of a tapestry thing behind it. But I thought it was beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's take a look at the pattern. I'm looking for my numbers. There we go. It does have 2 sets of numbers. This pattern book is separated into 12 parts. We have 42 stitches, and there is only full cross stitch, and it is a big, it's a regular cross stitch. It's not a partial. Didn't know how to put all that. Let's take a look at the colors. We have 310 black. Anything else? I know 814, 815, and 816 are shades of a brick red, if you will. No 939. We have 3371, and for white they're using a crew. So I'm glad there is no back stitching or anything like that. It's just solid cross stitch. Very nice. Very well printed. Very easy to see symbols. Very, very, very nice. And I'd say this was on the verge of being a Victorian type looking picture, but just beautiful. There is a lot of thread here. It's on 2 thread cards. It does come on the good thread card with all the information on it, and 2 needles. So there's your extra 3371. Beautiful browns, kind of a rust, I don't know how you call it. Kind of an orangish brown, if you will. I don't know what that color. Kind of like a bittersweet orange, if you will. And a gray, some greens. We have that 3777, which is also a brick red. So it will go well with these 3. This is for 814, 815, and 816. Beautiful, beautiful antique colors in this. It's just stunning. Isn't that gorgeous? Ugh, rich colors. Let's take a look at this canvas. Hopefully we can measure this. Let me get it unfolded here for a second. It is quite big, and it still says German Shepherd at the top. It's just irritating. All right. It is serged all the way around, and it is 66 centimeters or 26 inches across by 51.5 centimeters, or a little over, well, a little over 20.25 inches. Actual picture size is 17.25 inches, or 44 centimeters. By 57.5 centimeters, or almost 22.75 inches. I'll show you the printing here in a second. And I'm glad it has lots and lots of colors. Nice big key that runs along the bottom. Very easy to see. All the symbols, the numbers. I love that part. Let me just fold it here in half because it's a little cumbersome. I'm just going to fold it in half. And that way it'll be easier. But very nice. There's going to be some confetti in some places. But for the most part, it's rivers of color. But very nicely done. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I just love that. But it's going to take a hot moment to stitch that one. All right. The next and the last one is 43 by 42, $8.58. I'm going to move them scissors because, you know, things happen around here. Just because I leave things out. All right. Get it out of its bag. Yeah, I'm not going to get that other one in there. And this one is called Winter Villa. Is that not stunning? Oh my goodness. I just love that. Oh, you just want to hug it. I love Victorian houses. I always have. Yeah, and there are a ton of them in Leadville, where I used to live, and they're just beautiful. Beautiful. So, this is going to have back stitching. Just a bit. Oops. Okay, I give up. Where? Did I miss something? Oh, tell me. Oh, I'm like having a fit. What the heck? But you can see where some of that back stitching is in. The trees around the buildings. In the grass. And most of it outlines the building, so it's not real difficult. Let's take a look at the colors. We have two sets. First set goes to the paper pattern. Second goes to the canvas. So, we have a total of 47 colors. You have 38 colors in full stitch. You have 7 in half stitch, 2 in French knot, and 4 in back stitch. So, yay. And the background looks like it is all half cross stitch. So that's nice. See what colors we have. We have 310 black. I'm not seeing anything. We have 939 for another dark color. And B5200 for the white. So, beautiful, beautiful pattern. But you can see all these symbols right in here behind the trees are all half cross stitches. Yum, my favorite. Which means that the background won't be too hard. Does come on 2 thread cards. And they're the good thread cards with 2 needles. Get that off there. We have some lovely blues and browns. Just stunning. And this is 817, so it's a brighter red. But mostly browns, blues, turquoise. 3865 B5200. You have some kind of beige colors, kind of a pale, pale, pale blue. Gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. Some oranges, some greens. And you only have 1 strand of 939. So I don't know what that's exactly used for. I didn't look it up. Let me see. It is not the half cross stitch. And it's not the back stitching. So just a little bit here and there. Beautiful, gorgeous blues, mauves, I don't know what else. Like a taupe color. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stunning, stunning colors. Another set with stunning colors. Just beautiful. Love them. I love both of the last kits. Yeah, you know how that's going to go. We'll be starting those soon. Well, got to get it going the right way, Laura Jean. All right. So it does have a big key that runs along the bottom. These are your full cross stitches. Over here you have back stitch, French knot, and half cross stitch down this way. So very nicely done. I just want to show you how well that's printed. I am just impressed. But all of this greenish, orange, and yellowish color, that's all half cross stitch. You do have a full cross for the tree, but it's all going to blend very well. I don't know if there's any others in this particular series. I just didn't pay attention. Let's measure this. It is serged all the way around. It is 17 inches or 43 centimeters by approximately 42.5 centimeters or 16 3/4 inches by a little over 34 centimeters or a little under 13 3/4 inches. So it's not too big, and this one is actually, we're doing this again, actually a partial because you don't go corner to corner, and there are holes in the middle. There's not literal holes, but there are white in between all that. So very nice. Ugh, love this too. So if you happen to know that whether or not there's more in this general series made, I know that I have the autumn house, the winter, the summer, the spring, but they're all done more in a realistic thing. This is more of a, excuse the lack for words, a cartoon looking thing, but I still love it. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. Oh, yep, soon. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for these 3 gorgeous kits that I can't decide which one we're starting today. But we will, 1 o'clock, Mountain Standard Time. Now, VIPCrossStitch only has sewing arts. They do not have diamond painting or paint by number. But they do have embroidery, beaded cross stitch. They always have lots to choose from, great prices, great selection. I just can't say enough about them. I do love this store. I have ordered from them personally, and they have great customer service, so do check them out. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.